In this video I will show you how to make this cute fluffy bumblebee. Cut out 2 fabric pieces and sew all the darts. Stitch them together. Turn it inside out and stuff it. Add 60 to 70 grams of weighting beads. Sew the opening to close. Pull out the fur from the seams and give it a brush. Now it's time to paint. I'm using oil paints. I wipe the brush really well. Once the yellow stripes are done, add a bit of orange, then some brown to make them look more natural and not flat. Finish with black stripes, then let the body dry for a few days. Now let's make the wings. I'm using transparent plastic from toy packaging and the wing pattern. For the antennas I use black rubber cord. Warning: not for kids. Adults, be careful not to burn yourself or breathe in the fumes. For the arms, I use chenille wire. When the paint is fully dry, brush out the fur. Insert the eyes. Secure the thread ends where the wings will go. To hide them, tuck the loose ends inside the body. Cut eyelets from felt. Attach them with one or two methods, either needle felting or glue. Sew the wings on. Trim the fur to shape the mouse. Add color to the mouse. I'm using fabric markers. Glue in tiny felt teeth. Insert the arms. If the hole you made with the knot is too small, carefully snip the fabric base with scissors. Don't worry, once glued the fabric won't tear. Glue in the antennas. Add some shading around the eyes. Your bee is ready. You can download the free pattern, full material list and step-by-step guide. Just follow the link in the first comment.